This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss an exception called import error.
This video is brought to you by OppyPy's Academy.
Import error. Import error exception is raised when you, as a programmer, you import a particular module and that module does not happen to be present. Let me give you an example. First, I will execute the program successfully because I am going to create a module and that module will be present. After that, I will give the wrong name of the module and we will see how the exception import error is raised. This is our module, myfunctions.py. Here I have written a simple function which calculates simple interest and it is passed 3 arguments. These are 3 formal parameters. PAMT stands for principal amount, ROI for rate of interest, TM is for time, that is duration. The names could be anything. These are formal parameters. So the values will be passed into them, and this is the simple formula for calculating the simple interest. Simple interest will be calculated, that will be put into SINT variable, and subsequently that will be returned back. And this is our main program. In the main program, I have written, let me first remove this. Okay, now this is a simple program which is not using any sort of it's not using any exception handling. So I'm going to execute this program. Control Shift F10. Okay, indentation is not required. Control Shift F10. Simple interest is equal to 495.0. Again, see this program. This program does not deal with exception handling, and this is a simple this is a module which has got simple underscore interest function, and here we are calling the function by importing the module import my functions, which is the name of the module. Then my functions dot, I'm qualifying simple interest call with the name of the module my functions dot simple interest, and I'm passing the 3 arguments, and those 3 arguments will go into PMT, ROI and TM. By applying this formula, we are calculating simple interest and that will be returned back, and we will be printing the simple interest. So far so good. Now let me do one thing, and suppose mistakenly I happen to mention import my function 1, whereas the name of the module is not my functions 1, it is my function. See, my functions dot py and not my functions 1, and mistakenly I have mentioned import my functions 1. Let's see what happens. You will see that when I will try to execute this program, your program will be terminated after an error message, and that is runtime error, that is exception. So let me press Control Shift F10. Yeah, as you can see, import my function 1, and it is giving the name of the exception that has been raised because we have not handled this exception ourselves. The program for import that is causing import error exception has been terminated. Now I want my program to be on guard against the termination. I just want the error message should be there, but program should not be terminated. So what should I do? I will write try, and now there should be indentation, import and all this thing, and then this should be okay. This is your okay. So far so good. Now I have written it within the try block, import, and simple interest call is being given here, but the name of the module is not being recognized. Why? Because I have imported my functions 1, the module which does not exist. and print simple interest is equal to something, and then accept import error. This is the name of the exception, import error, and the control is bound to go to this accept block because there is no such module. And this is the common statement. It is going to be executed whether exception occurs or not. Now control shift F10. Yeah, as you can see, I have written my functions dot simple now dot simple underscore interest and 1000, 5.5 and 9. As you can see, I have mentioned a module which does not happen to be present. The actual name was even though it was my functions, but at the time of import I have written import my functions 1. So it's giving message no such module exists, because at this statement my functions dot simple underscore interest, it saw that there is no such module which has been imported, because imported module name was my functions 1. The control will jump to the accept block, no such module exists. This message will come, program will not be terminated. That is the point to be noted. That is the basic objective of exception handling, that your program is prevented from getting terminated in the event of an exception. So this common statement Anand Mahajan and this telephone number will be printed as it is because it's a common statement. So now let me rectify this. I would write import my functions, and now there won't be any exception that will be raised because I have imported the correct module, which is my functions, and I have called it with the correct name, my functions dot simple underscore interest. So there is no problem, and the program has been executed successfully. The function was called, which was your simple underscore interest. Values were passed and simple interest calculated and returned back. That went and that got stored into SIMP. We got the value of SIMP printed on the screen, and control did not go to accept, but it went to this common statement Anand Mahajan and telephone number. Thank you.